Let's unbox the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series 3-in-1 Espresso, Coffee, and Cold Brew machine. First, we've got the owner's guide, quick start guide, and an inspiration guide with recipes, perfect for a little coffee inspiration. Next is the adjustable cup tray, handy for different cup sizes, whether it's an espresso shot or your favorite mug. Here's the starter kit box. We'll get back to that shortly. Now, let's lift out the Ninja Luxe Café machine itself. Be sure to remove all the stickers and tape. On the side, there's a door for storing the baskets, cleaning disc, and brush, and here's where the assisted tamper and funnel go. In this box, we have the milk jug with a built-in whisk to give you that frothy finish. Back to the starter kit. It has the portafilter with a double basket, great for espresso or cold press drinks. This Luxe basket is perfect for quad shot espresso, drip coffee, cold brew, and cold press drinks. The assisted tamper helps apply pressure, and the funnel keeps grounds in place. Lastly, the cleaning kit includes a brush with a needle for the steam wand, a cleaning disc and tablets, descaling powder, and water hardness test. And that's everything in the box.